Welcome to Silver and Gold, where we explore everything from historical currency to smart modern investing in precious metals. If you're thinking about adding gold or silver to your portfolio, you've probably come across two popular options, ETFs and physical metal. But which one is right for you? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of each so you can make the choice that best fits your goals. Let's start with ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are financial products that let you gain exposure to the price of gold or silver without actually owning the metal. When you invest in a precious metals ETF, you're buying shares in a fund that tracks the price of gold or silver, often backed by metal held in vaults. The biggest advantages? Convenience and liquidity. You can buy or sell ETF shares easily through your brokerage account, just like a stock. There's no need to worry about storage, shipping, or security. And since ETFs are traded on the stock market, they're highly liquid, making it easy to move in and out of positions. But there are trade-offs. With ETFs, you don't actually own the metal. You own a paper asset. That means in a worst-case scenario, like a major financial crisis or a breakdown in trust, your access to the underlying metal isn't guaranteed. And while some ETFs are physically backed, others use futures or derivatives, which adds layers of complexity and counterparty risk. And now let's talk about physical metal, actual gold or silver that you can hold in your hand. Whether it's bars, coins, or rounds, physical metals give you direct ownership. There's no third party between you and your asset. That makes it appealing to people who value security, privacy, and long-term protection against inflation or economic instability. The downsides? Physical metal needs to be stored securely, whether in a safe at home or a private vault. It's also less liquid than an ETF. Selling physical metal often requires working with a dealer or local buyer, which takes more time and effort. And premiums over spot price, especially for coins, can add up. So which is best? ETFs are great for convenience, speed, and short to medium-term exposure to metal prices. Physical metal is ideal for long-term holders, preppers, and those who want true ownership of a tangible asset. Many investors actually choose to hold both, using ETFs for flexibility and physical silver or gold for security. Thanks for tuning in to Silver and Gold. Whether you're trading paper or stacking bars, understanding the difference between ETFs and physical metals helps you make better, more confident choices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more insights into the world of precious metals. Until next time, stay diversified, stay informed, and stay golden.